Good morning, guys. So we are on Monday, and I came back home late last night. I was at my cousin's house, and I opened a trade on AUD CAD, and I woke up and lost the trade. So I'm looking right now, and I don't know if it's me or like it's just the market that didn't go as planned. So I just woke up. I'm so like, I don't know, bro. I'm so angry because first of all, I woke up late, so I don't have time to go to the gym anymore. I have like 20 minutes to get ready and go to work, and I come back late from work, so I won't have the time to go to the gym. And I lost the trade, and like I don't know, bro. Like it's not a good day today. I'm gonna show you guys the trade, the pairs, and like I don't know. It's not a good week, but like it's okay. I'm trying to be as positive as possible. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the pairs right now, and yeah, let's see what happens. So I lost the trade with AUD CAD. I opened the trade around here. Now it was like a bullish candle, two dojis, and one bearish candle. I opened on the other candle. I opened a little late. When this blue candle was here, it was bearish. And then when I opened the trade and went to sleep, it just went back up, wicked me out, and price like was already going a little more up, so I would have lost like anyways. I'm kind of tempted to open another trade because you can see here like there is a big bearish engulfing and rejecting perfectly the EMA on this support that turned into a resistance. So I'm really tempted to open back the trade, but yeah, I'm not really sure. USD JPY, which was my perfect setup, I was waiting for the retest here, and then look what happened. It just go and breaks the resistance and start playing around. Yeah, it didn't go as planned. Euro USD, there's this resistance and support turned into a resistance, and yeah, I'm just waiting to see like maybe price action. If I have like a good confirmation candle, maybe I'll sell here because we are perfectly on the resistance. This is a good area, and it's perfectly rejecting the EMA, and it's on a downtrend on the 1 hour. On the 4 hour, we are also bearish. And yeah, I'm expecting also the daily to like do some type of retracement until it goes back up. So yeah, I'm kind of hopeful for Euro USD, but yeah, like I don't know what to say honestly. And AD NZD, yeah, nothing, bro. It's consolidating as fuck, bro. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for Euro USD, and we lost a trade at AUD CAD. Oh my god, look at this momentum, bro. Look at this momentum. It's too late to open the trade right now. Like, my risk reward will be so bad. It's not even worth it. Yeah, and I even lost 1.2k. Like, I don't know how. I thought that I risked like 1k. I ended up risking 1.2k. My account is at 97k, 0.7, 0.8. Yeah, I lost. Wait. Yeah, I lost 1.2k. This is not good. Alright, guys, trade update. It is a Wednesday, and I opened another trade. All right, I opened another trade in the same pair that I lost a trade with. Literally the same day that I lost the trade, I opened another one. Not out of, oh, I want a revenge trade or anything. I just saw that maybe my entry was wrong, and I got a really good entry, and I was 95% in profit, like 95%. I just needed 5% more until I won the trade. I was aiming for $2,000. All right, I hit $1,900, and I see the trade. I was at work, I opened my phone, I see that I'm $1,900 in profit. And guess what? I didn't close the trade. I was waiting for this $100 just so I can have a perfect $2,000, a perfect 122. This is the most stupid mistake I ever made, because now I'm at break even. Literally just for $100. I didn't close the trade, and it just went back into loss and then into a little profit, and now it's at break even. I really don't know what to say. I mean, I got greedy for $100. I didn't close the trade only for $100. I mean, if I didn't open my phone and like didn't see that I was so much in profit, okay, I'm not gonna put the blame on me, because I set my TP, I set my stop loss, and I let the trade go on. But the thing is that I open my phone and I see that I'm just $100 away. Just close the fucking trade, and I didn't close it. And I'm really pissed off right now. I'm really fucking pissed off. I'm gonna show you guys the trade right now. And yeah, it's not looking good. Guys, you can see I lost a trade here, all right? And then I see the market shifting structure, and I see this bearish engulfing. So I opened the trade, and look at that. I went into a little loss, and then look, $100 away from winning the trade, and I didn't close it. I opened my phone, I was here, okay, and I didn't close the trade. I was waiting. You know what? It's just like $100. It's gonna go down. It's gonna go down. It's gonna touch it, but it didn't touch it, and guess what? Boom, boom. Into loss, little profit, and around break even. This trade has been open for a, bro, I don't know how, it's been like a day right now. Shit, bro. I don't know if it's gonna keep going down to hit the TP again. Like right now, I'm not gonna touch it. I feel like I'm getting kind of emotional. I'm really tempted to close the trade. I mean, in the 4-hour we are bearish, but like I'm expecting maybe some retracement, and maybe it could touch the stop loss. On the daily, yeah, we got the wick. I don't know if it's gonna go down to the support. I'm not really sure. On the 1 hour, I don't know. It was going bearish, then kind of bullish, and then kind of bearish. It's consolidating a lot. So I really don't know what to say. And this bullish engulfing isn't really giving me peace of mind. So yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen. By the way, I just remembered that I was waiting for this $100, okay? But now that my trade was open for 2 days, that I'm not gonna hit this $2,000, because I'm gonna get hit with the fees. They're gonna take like maybe $200 off the trade, because I kept it overnight, kept it open overnight. So I don't even think that I'm gonna hit the $2,000 mark. So if I closed it beforehand, when I was $1,900 in profit, it would have been better. I just got so greedy. I guess, yeah. I'm gonna let it open. I mean, we are a Wednesday, so I can leave it for a day. So maybe until Tuesday. Thursday. And yeah, I'm just gonna let it run for maybe a day max. And if it doesn't go to neither TP, neither stop loss, I'm just gonna close the trade. Like I'm not gonna open any trades this week anymore because I feel like it's getting kind of out of hand. I'm getting a little emotional. Not that I'm getting emotional, it's just that my emotions are playing in, like some fear, some doubts. So I'm not really focused, if you want to. I'm not really focused, and I'm doing like impulse decisions. So I'm just gonna let it play out and really wait for next week. Maybe next week's price action will be more better, more stable, more volatile. Yeah, because it's constantly leading so much right now. All right, guys, so this is a Friday, April 24. It's so I closed the trade that I had opened for a few days. I closed it. The market was consolidating so much, and after that I closed the trade. I closed the break even, like minus $100, so basically nothing. I closed the trade, and after I closed the trade, I realized it's a really bad trade. I opened it. Why? Because I wanted to make my money back, which is a big mistake in trading. You should never ever revenge trade. But I wasn't really revenging. It's more like I found a better entry. And now that I'm looking at it, it wasn't that good of a trade. I didn't wait for a break and retest. I mean, it was a break and retest, but not really a break and retest. So I have the charts open right now, and yeah, it's not that the best trades I've opened. Like I know what I did wrong, so it's really okay. Like I'm looking forward for next week. Like I'm gonna leave the past in the past. It's okay. Not every week you're gonna make money, and I just left a 1 month winning streak, like 5 weeks, a month and something. 5 weeks I was winning, 5 weeks in a row, and there was weeks that I opened 2 trades instead of 1. So I was doing really good, and it's not gonna happen every week. Like there is gonna be times where you have to lose. This is trading. It is impossible to have 100% winning rate. So I'm really okay with losing a little. So my account is down 2.5%. Okay, so there was fees and everything. There was a trade that I lost 1.2k instead of 1k. So it's really okay. Like in one trade, I can make all the losses back and then enter into profit. This is really okay. And you never know, maybe the next trade I will win, and the second one I will win, and I will just have like maybe a trade until I pass the account. So I'm gonna show you guys the trade right now, and yeah, I haven't analyzed for next week, so I'm gonna do that maybe tomorrow. All right, guys, so this is the trade that I took. Now I already showed you guys the trade before. You can guys see it went almost like 95% to my TP, and then went back up into like drawdown, and then a little to profit. And I was just waiting for it to come back and try to hit my TP. But yeah, in general, it was a bad trade. Now I closed it around here, like minus $100. It's really okay. It's basically break even. Now I'm looking at the trade. It is kind of a break and retest, but like you guys can see, it was consolidating here. All right. And I opened the trade right here. It wasn't really worth it anymore. Now you guys can see left, head, right shoulder, break, retested, pin bar, boom. I feel like maybe my stop loss was a little too wide, or like overall with the spreads and everything, my trade opened at around here. Now, like I was opening a few trades. Like I never hit like my risk management, or like how much I want to risk in one trade. So like I open a trade, it's my stop loss is $250. So like I open another trade, maybe
each trade I opened like 3-4 trades to really hit like a 1% max loss on the stop loss. So I opened like a few trades. I opened the first one, it's around here. Then the markets go down, and like my 3 other trades, which has like 2 lots, 3 lots, are opened right here. So this is why I set my TP a little more to the downside, so I can really hit my profit target. Like my risk to reward was bad because of the spreads, and like the market was already going down when I was trying to open the trades. So this is why I had a bad risk to reward, like a 1.8. So this is why I put the TP a little lower. So if I open the trade all and like here when I expected to open the trades and I didn't lose out on here, okay, I would have put like the TP around here on the zone, and I would have hit it. So yeah, it's really okay. Like you can see on the 4-hour, which I didn't like, you can see here like it's consolidation. I opened the consolidation. Now I hit it right, like it went in my direction, so I was right about the trade, but not right enough. I have just the 5%, which is like a big coincidence. Like it's really a 1% chance for this to happen. So yeah, I just got unlucky, and it was my fault. Not the best trades, but it's okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave everything. Maybe tomorrow I will check all the markets. Oh shit, no, this is a good trade. This is a good break and then retest. Bearish engulfing, EMA rejection, boom. Well, it's okay. I'm not gonna open any trade. I'm gonna wait for next week, and we'll see what happens.
Alright guys, so today is a Saturday, and I prepared the pairs that I'm gonna be trading next week. There's not a lot of pairs that I have high hopes for. There's only one, which is Euro USD, that is a clean trade, and I'm just gonna be waiting for confirmation. And the rest of the pairs are just like standby. Maybe like there's a lot of zones, supports and resistance. Maybe if they break one of those, I can wait for the retest and then buy or sell. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys the pair, and yeah, that's basically it.
So first we have USD CAD, and I kept this pair. We are on a daily time frame. It looks like it didn't reject the support. It actually broke it and then retested, and then it looks like it's coming back. Now of course the market is closed, but I'm expecting for price to continue to this other support, as you guys can see here. Now this is a clean trade. I wish I saw this, because like break, retest, bearish engulfing, going down with the EMA rejection. This was a clean trade. Even here, like before everything, break, retest, EMA rejection, evening star, bro, it's perfect, and perfect to the, it went to the support. This is a really A++ setup. But yeah, we missed it, and I told myself that I'm not gonna be trading anymore this week because we had a few losses. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it for standby. Maybe if it broke, retest, or it breaks here and then retest. I don't know. I'm just gonna leave it here. I just want to see what the market's gonna do. Euro USD is a good trade. You can see here resistance, broke, rejection here, wick rejections, then break, retest, EMA rejection. Like you can see, it's very clean, the EMA, how it's rejecting at this area. And on the 1 hour, like it's easier to see, like resistance, support, low resistance here, broke, retest. On the 1 hour we don't have the EMA rejection, but that's okay. I mean, on the 4 hour we have it. So yeah, it's bearish on the 1 hour, bearish on the 4 hour, but bullish on the daily. So this is the only thing that's scaring me about this trade. It's still an A+ setup, and I think like at least the daily should go a little more down, just like it's the same as USD CAD. It's almost the same, like we are around here. Okay, you can see guys, it's the same thing. It's actually the same thing. I'm expecting for it to continue this retest, until here. So this is my sell. I'm gonna keep selling until here if it goes as planned. Okay, on the 1 hour, just gonna, here you go. On the 1 hour, I'm just gonna be waiting for a big bearish engulfing, and then this is gonna be my my confirmation. Now I think I could swing this trade. I mean, if I get the rejection here, okay, I have my stop loss, and I can set my TP all the way here, 1 to 4.7. This is insane. Like a big, I don't know if people call it swing trade, but like it's a very, very, very high risk to reward. Okay, I'm trying to hit the support, which I expect for the price to come and retest. I hope so. I mean, the initiation, or like what TP I initiate to, how do I say it? Like the first target, what I'm gonna target is around here, okay? Around here, like a nice 1 to 2. And if I see price like have a lot of momentum, it keep going down, maybe some ups and downs, I think I'm gonna leave the trades till maybe around there. No, I don't have a specific reason for why I'm gonna put it around here. Maybe to hit these liquidities. Okay, so these are potential TPs that I'm gonna be targeting. Oh, it's perfect. Okay, and this could be a really, really good trade. AUD, NZD, now I just kept it here also like a standby. Maybe if it breaks and retest here, or if it breaks and retest and try to target this area. And then NZD, USD, yeah, there's a break, there's a resistance, support, break, retest. Now the retest isn't really perfectly aligned. Yeah, sometimes the market isn't 100% precise, so these are things that happen. Maybe if I draw this resistance here, it could, like if I draw it here, it would have made like more sense, I guess, but like it's okay. And yeah, this is all the pairs that I'm gonna be trading next week, I guess. So you guys just saw all the pairs. Now not the best weeks, not the best pairs, not the best setups. It's basically only one setup. That is ready to trade, and the other are just standbys. Maybe throughout the week they have a setup may appear. So yep, so this is it. I'm excited for next week, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.